Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows what show you'll binge watch next? Well, the secret lies in the power of data science. It's an invisible force that shapes our digital lives in ways we often don't realize. From the personalized movie recommendations on Netflix to the targeted ads you see on your social media feeds, data science is at work, turning massive amounts of information into meaningful experiences tailored just for you. But how does it do this? Through a process known as predictive analytics. This tool takes past data, analyzes patterns, and uses this information to predict future outcomes. In essence, it's like having a crystal ball that can anticipate your likes and dislikes, helping to create an online world that feels uniquely yours. Now that we understand the power of data science, let's dive into a real-world example. Zara, a global fashion brand, uses data science to stay ahead of the fashion curve. Now, you might be wondering, how does a fashion brand and data science come together? Well, it's a beautiful blend of style and statistics. Let's delve a bit deeper. Zara has an incredible system in place that uses data science and predictive analytics to determine what styles and items to produce. With over 2,000 stores worldwide, imagine the vast amounts of data they're dealing with. Every single transaction, every customer interaction, every click on their website, it all feeds into their data system. But what do they do with all this data? They analyze it, of course. Their team of data analysts and trend forecasters pore over this data, looking for patterns and trends. They're not just interested in what's selling now, but what will sell in the future. They're predicting fashion trends, often before they even hit the runways. Their data-driven approach doesn't stop at trend prediction. It extends to inventory management and profit maximization. By knowing what's likely to sell, they can ensure they have just the right amount of stock. No more, no less. This means less waste, more profits, and happier customers. In this way, Zara is quick to adapt to changing fashion trends and customer preferences. They're not just following the fashion curve, they're defining it. Through data science, Zara has revolutionized the fast fashion industry. So, what can we learn from all of this? Let's recap. Data science is an influential force, molding our daily interactions and guiding crucial business choices. It's the secret sauce behind Zara's triumph in the fast fashion world. By harnessing data, they've turned information into actionable insights, propelling their success. Remember, data is more than just numbers. It's a powerful tool that, when harnessed correctly, can lead to groundbreaking insights and innovations. So, the next time Netflix recommends a show you end up loving, thank data science.